Assalamualaikum and a very good evening to our lecturer, Ms. Najwa, and everyone. My name is Atiqah Batrisyia Binti Rahman, and I am a student of Bachelor in Wood Science and Technology here in the University Putra, Malaysia. So my partner.
Hi, my name is Yusra by Shabir. My metric number is 203955. I'm the student of Forestry Science from the Faculty of Forestry and Environment.
Okay, so we experience onslaught of news around the world when it comes to the environment. Often it is though we just cannot get in front of this curve despite having understanding about the sources of ecological woods than ever before. So the question is that what is a green solution for the household furnishing? So that is one reason why we excited about solid hardwood furniture. So today we would like to talk about why wood is the greenest furniture choice. We will talk about this topic in two parts. First, I will explain about why wood is considered good for climate. And then next, my partner Yusra will cover about wood lasts a long time. So when it comes to moving to a new house or simply purchasing a new furniture, uh, whether you need a new bed, couch, table, or something else, so the greenest choices is always to select wooden furniture. Of course, wooden furniture is more expensive because of the material and the labor spent. But wood final item is often of such high quality that is worth the price offered. As they say, wood is good because it's an amazing environmentally friendly home furniture solution. Okay, so to begin, our first point is wood is good for climate. Uh, Wood is good because from the moment the little saplings start to emerge the earth, it's already having the positive impact towards the climate itself. This is because wood is a potential renewable energy source, and wood is a raw material that grows and replenishes itself every year. A lot of folks wonder, is it environmental to cut down trees? But luckily, with selective harvesting system, in contrast to clear cutting, it's not a problem actually. In fact, it's good for forest health. So in addition to that, wood is a form of biomass, which means it's a part of natural carbon cycle of the earth. So when trees are cut down to create wood for craftsman furniture, it will grow back once planted. Unlike other resources like petroleum, oil, coal, or natural gas. Okay, so next is wood furniture reduces more carbon emission, meaning to say wood will store the carbon inside the trunk all their life. They will store it in the trunk as they grow. But it doesn't end there because when trees are turned into wood products, they continue to store that carbon. Okay, so for example, like furniture, doors, or even floor that made of wood, it requires less energy to produce when compared to other material like aluminum or even plastic. So even after they turn into the product, it will store the carbon for years. So eventually, this solar energy that is stored inside the wood can be recovered at the end of the product cycle by burning the wood as energy. So reusing this wood energy is a great way to shift dirty energy like non-renewable or even carbon emitting energy sources, for example, like petroleum, oil, natural gas, or even coal. So when compared to the mentioned the non-renewable energy that I mentioned before, by burning wood, it can create renewable sources and it doesn't create waste. So there's no waste. So it is clear that wood is actually healthy for our climate. So our next point will be presented by my partner Yusra.
Thank you, Batrisyia. So let's move on to the next point, which is wood can last a long time. A wide variety of factors affect how long a wooden product lasts, including the type of wood, the location of the products, interior or exterior environment, and the treatment that has been applied to it. Generally, wood is lightweight. Wood is lightweight but also strong and durable. The longer wood lasts, the less energy is used on the production of new products, which in turn make it better for the environment. Second, hardwood floor has been surging in popularity recently. It's because, unlike carpeting, hardwood floor can be refinished multiple times so they can last for decades. The same is true of wood finishings. Compared to cheaply made finishings, craftsman wood finishing can last decades with proper care. For example, tensile strength. For being relatively lightweight building material, would outperform even steel when it comes to breaking length. Simply put, it can support its own weight better, which allow for longer spaces and fewer necessary support in same building design. Unlike plastic laminate, wood laminates and other engineered woods, wood can have multiple lifetime through refinishing. Wood can last for many decades. For example, we can see a wooden pew that have sometimes been around for over a decade or over 100 years and can set by thousands of people, yet are still in good working order. So I want to show you this is this example of wood particle product that made wood particle, which is called particle board. If we can laminate it, it can last a longer time, and if we taken better care of it, it can last a longer time. And besides, this is particle board considered cheap, and we can make it more modern and contemporary furniture products. So we have reached the conclusion. The conclusion is wood is a greenish furniture choice because wood can last a long time and can prevent climate change. People should consider buying some brand new furniture and the greenish option. Wood products just have a lighter overall footprint and deliver more with a little of no cost to the environment, and it also safe for the people. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Thank you to listen to our presentation. So that's all about our topic. Thank you.
So thank you guys. Bye bye.
Thank you guys.